Like, subscribe and get notified.
Data collated by Goa Bachao Abhiyan from government gazettes shows over 8 lakh square meters of Goa's land was converted between March 7th and 14th under the Section 710 amendment of the Town and Country Planning Act. But in this conversion 35% land cases remain unaccounted for, as their original zones were not mentioned. The Goa Bachao Abhiyan, which spearheaded and won the agitation against the earlier Propel Unfriendly Regional Plan 2011, collated the data from official records and gazettes. The organization interestingly pointed out that the conversions were completed just before the Lok Sabha elections were announced and the Model Code of Conduct commenced.
And only in the month of March, that too through 3 gazettes. एक 7 तारखेक पब्लिश केल्लो, सेकंड 12 तारखेक पब्लिश केल्लो आणि थर्ड 14 तारखेक पब्लिश केल्लो मार्च म्हयन्याच्या जस्ट बिफोर कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट. ह्या 3 गॅजेटान इक्विवलंट टू दोज 10 months एरिया ह्या 3 गॅजेटान सुमारे 8,26,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर जागो एकाच विकान थ्रू 3 गॅजेट्स कन्वर्ट केलो टू सेटलमेंट. सरप्रायझिंगली 12 मार्च आणि 14 मार्च ह्या 2 गॅजेटांनी जे लँड कन्वर्जन्स जाला अमाउंटिंग टू अप्रॉक्सिमेटली अराउंड 5,80,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स, ह्या गॅजेटीन ह्या लँडांचे प्रिवियस झोन्स एज पर RP कितें तें मेन्शन ना, हू वॉज द एप्लिकंट मेन्शन ना, हू रेकमेंडेड द चेंज मेन्शन ना, फक्त टेबल घातला की हे सर्वे नंबर्स ह्या गांवान ही एरिया आणि सेटलमेंट झोन म्हणून करेक्ट केला म्हणून. हे आतां TCP डिपार्टमेंट ह्या लेवलाचेर पावून आपले धंदे चलोवपाक लागला ऑफ रियल इस्टेट, बिकॉज TCP मिनिस्टर इज अ रियल इस्टेट माफिया नाव. ही इज अलॉंग विथ रियल इस्टेट माफिया, तो रियल इस्टेट ब्रोकर न्हू. सो आतां जे एक्चुअली जे गोंयान चल्लेले आसा तितून फक्त जाग्यांचे धंदे चल्लेले आहा इश्टानो. आणि हे जे 17(2), 39A, 17D आणि ते ऑर्डिनन्स हाडला, ऑल दिस इज रिलेटेड टू कन्वर्टिंग द लँड टू सेटलमेंट अँड गिविंग इट टू रियल इस्टेट माफिया फ्रॉम दिल्ली, तेलंगाना एंड ऑल. इश्टानो सादबूत रावा, बी कॉशियस, बी अलर्ट. दीज पीपल आर ओनली बिहाइंड आवर लँड and our identity as Goans. Be cautious.
The above land conversions were part of 16,58,578 square meters of land which were converted between April 2023 and March 2024. While 50% of this figure was converted in a span of 11 months, between April last year and February this year, 8,25,648 square meters were converted within a week between March 7th and 14th. Importantly, the original zoning of 5,80,502 square meters of land now converted to settlement zones has not been published, GBA said.
Riverside, low-lying area, thunyi temi commercial zone dakhwille asa. Agricultural land, orchard land, thunyi commercial zone dakhwille asa. Damodar College and Kurwa Road, ताच्या मध्ये बेनावली साइडीन शेतां आसा. त्या शेतां मदल्यान 20 मिटराचो न्यू रोड दाखयला. वाय पणजे, पाटो, लो लाईंग एरिया, कॉन्क्रीट जंगल आयला. तेच भाशेन बेनावली साइडीन कॉन्क्रीट जंगल येवपाचो प्रयोग चालू आसा. वॉट अबाउट ट्रॅफिक सिच्युएशन इन मारगांव? पॉप्युलेशन वाडला, रस्ते पावना, वाडोवपाक जाय, पण बिल्डरांक जाय जाल्यार रस्ते व्हड आसात ते पासून ते नॅरो करून दाखयतात.
According to the GBA, of the lands converted, 34% was originally orchard, 14% was natural cover, 13% were paddy fields, while industrial and settlement areas each comprised 2%. This leaves a huge chunk of 35% land conversion cases that remains unaccounted for, as their original zones have not been mentioned. This means that out of 16,58,578 square meters, the state government has not published what were the original zones of 5,80,502 square meters of land now converted to settlement zones across Goa. The glass of transparency gets foggier in the last 2 notifications dated 12th March and 14th March, wherein the government has omitted not only the applicants' names but also the original zone of the lands as per Regional Plan 2021. With Vittaldas Hegde, Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Watch on Herald TV.